In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom code component in Framer. This is a great way to extend your designs beyond the basic built-in elements, especially if you want more control or want to reuse logic across different pages. I'll walk you through each click slowly so you can follow along inside your own project. First, open your Framer project. Look up to the very top left of the screen where you see the Framer logo. Right next to that logo, there's a small arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. This opens a menu related to your project and its components, and it's the starting point for creating anything new. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Component. Click on Component. This is where Framer lets you manage and create new reusable elements that you can drag onto your canvas. We're not using a pre-built component here. Instead, we want to generate one from our own code. After you click Component, you'll see several options for how to create it. Find and select Create from Code. This tells Framer that you want to define the component using code, rather than starting from a design on the canvas. When you choose this, Framer will open up a dialog or panel where you can set up the basic details of your new custom code component. In the dialog that appears, you'll see a field where you can name your component. Click into that field and type in custom code. This name is what you'll see later in your components list, so choose something that clearly describes what the component does. For this walkthrough, custom code is simple and easy to recognize. You can always rename it later if you refine what the component is used for. Once you've typed in the name, look for the Create button in that same dialog. Click on Create. Framer will now generate a new code file or editor view for this component and add it to your project's components list. From here, you can start writing your JavaScript or React code inside that component, style it, and then drag it onto your pages just like any other Framer element. And that's all you need to do to add a custom code component in Framer. Open the menu by the logo, go to Component, choose Create from Code, name it Custom Code, and click Create.